Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the POCO F5 Pro. So now I have a problem with my headphones. I will start here on the simplest way, just restart the Bluetooth connection. So switch it off and switch it again. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and choose reboot. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works. So on the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices and you need to activate the pair mode. How to do it, you will find the manual at your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it. And if you're sure that your accessory should be visible for other devices but it's still not on your phone, go to the settings, choose the connection sharing and slide down to the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks in the Bluetooth. So just tap on it, click reset settings, confirm pattern and click OK. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go to double phone and tap on the melee version. If you have any updates, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe with a comment and goodbye.